What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world, where we try to keep it drama free, judgment free, and always positive. Well, sometimes, but y'all know how that can be, right? Absolutely. Today, guys, we have March 2020 BoxyLuxe. Now, baby, I'm kind of aggravated with BoxyCharm right now. I'm going to get into that, y'all. So if y'all want to see what's inside of March's box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got your BoxyLuxe yet or nah. Welcome, guys. I'm TonyaNicole, the party host for today, and welcome to my channel, guys. I'm drinking red wine still. Y'all want a dance break and a drink break? Y'all gonna need it after this. Dance break and a drink break. Oh, party time, y'all. Okay, so before I get started into my little rant, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys rocking with your girl, waking up early to watch my videos and comment. Thank you guys so much. Now, y'all, after I was able to make my choice for March's box, I got a new phone. And my phone, I thought my passwords were saved, but apparently they weren't. So it deleted the password for BoxyCharm. So I thought I remembered it, which I didn't. And I entered it in like a couple times, and then I kind of got like, forgot my password. So I changed the password and it would not reset the password for nothing. So I have been locked out of my BoxyCharm account for like a couple weeks now. And I need to get in it so that I can cancel some of these boxes, because I don't think I want to keep the Luxe box anymore. Well, depending on this month and the stuff that I get will determine that. But I want to I don't know. I just want access to my account. I was not able to even pick April's product. And I am so irritated because I've emailed BoxyCharm, I've Instagrammed them with no response. And I am like getting So my next step will be to cancel to stop the payment on the card for BoxyCharm. And depending on if you guys want me to continue to get BoxyCharm, I will. I know a lot of people like BoxyCharm, and I do as well. But if BoxyCharm cannot solve this issue, boo, they're going to be canceled. Point blank in the period. So, yes. So I'm trying to get that worked out so I can get back into my account, because I don't like being locked out, and they have my personal information. Oh, is that too much to ask for, y'all? Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Like, what would you guys do? So, guys, this is March's BoxyLuxe. It is $49.99 every 3 months. And I actually really love the Luxe boxes. I just wait for them because I know they're going to be packed with a lot of stuff. Now, they did start off with 10 products. Then they went to 9. Now we're down to 8, which is not a big deal as long as they're pretty decent products. So, yes, guys, if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I will put my link down below. Just press it, look around, see what you want to do. Without further ado, I'm excited, y'all. I'm ready to get this open. Let's get this baby on and popping, boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break, because I want to, y'all. I need to. I better have a card. Y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, y'all, we got a card. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Last time, they sent a card after I filmed the video, so I had to go and look up everything. I'm glad we got a card. And the theme for this month is pretty edgy. This is what the outside of the card looks like. Also, guys, let me know what you think about them going paperless and just emailing you your card. I'm okay with it as long as the card comes before the box so that I can prepare myself for you guys. But yes, and girl, guess what? My variation is the lucky number 13. Oh, y'all know 13 is my favorite number. I'm about to go and get a tattoo probably right here that says 13, because you know I'm born November 13th and it's falling on a Friday this year. So this box must be good, I'm telling y'all. Anyway, it gives us a list of all of the products we received in the box, and y'all know I'm gonna do the total and all that. Y'all, look, let's go. And we have some foam. Oh, good. All right, guys, first up, we got the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette. Now, I have been seeing a lot of people review this palette, and for the most part, now y'all know it is people that be rocking with BoxyCharm, so they like the palette, but you know TonyaNicole is going to do a first impressions and give y'all the honest truth. But I love the colors in this palette. Let's open it up and see what it looks like, guys. Oh, it's so fancy. Girl, it comes with a mirror. Hey, boo. This is the palette right here. It is so much prettier in person. Oh my God, I love them. Only thing is, I wish that there was a little bit of a deeper shade for me to use as a transition color. Ooh, but for the most part, these are very pretty. Oh my God, and they feel so nice. Girl, look at this. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, I love it. I cannot wait to use this palette. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the BOXYCHARM Hello Charmer palette, and it retails for $39, guys. Oh. Next up is my choice item, and I really forgot about this. And we have another palette. I forgot y'all, I got two palettes. Okay. So you see, I'm pissed off with BoxyCharm, but it's things like this that makes me just want to keep the subscription. Girl, but y'all, I'm so excited. This is the Tarte Pro Remix palette. Look at it, y'all. I know y'all seen it 100 times, but girl, I am like so excited. Oh my God, the back is a mirror. Oh, hey girl. And this is what the front looks like. It is gorgeous. And let's see. Girl, it's got a big mirror. Hey, boo. This is the palette, guys. Holy moly, y'all. It is gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Oh my God. Would it be weird if I licked it? I think it would. Let's swatch some, y'all. Oh my, look at this purple. Oh, y'all, this is how they swatched out. Look at that black. Look at this purple shade. It looks kind of similar, doesn't it? Oh, kind of, sort of. Let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Tarte Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette, and it retails for 49 buckaroos. I'm gonna pull these two out together because, now, y'all, I don't know how to feel about this. Now, the Bum Cream, I love. I absolutely love this. But I've heard bad things about this, so I'm going to smell this to see how it smells, because everybody said it stinks. But this is the Luxe box. Like, I would expect to get this in the, like, base box. I don't know if I want this in my Luxe. But this is the Sol de Janeiro, or how you say that? Yeah, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. Right here, guys, and these two retail for $15. These must be like the little bitty itty bitty baby committee. Oh, I love the Bum Cream. It just smells so good. I'm definitely taking this on vacation with me. I am definitely. And the Coco Cabana, I have not tried, but I could tell you what, babe, this is not even full. Look at that. Oh, this smells like toe cheese or something. I don't really like that smell, but it's not full, and I don't know if this is a Luxe product. I don't know how I feel about getting this in a Luxe box. $15. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know. Next up, something else that I do not like, and it is the DEBORAH LIPPMAN nail polish. Now, on my profile, I specifically say no nail polish. I don't want nail polish because I get my nails dipped. So y'all know this is definitely going in a giveaway. I don't want a nail polish, but it is two springy colors, a fire on the horizon, and can't stop the feeling. These are the two shades right here. Here are the nail polishes right there, guys. And I have heard good things about this nail polish, but I just don't like nail polish. So let's see what these retail for. And these are the DEBORAH LIPPMAN Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish set, and they retail for $19. Up next is from Becca, and this is Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. Right here. There we go. And I think a lot of people have received this already, and it says that it is a highlighter. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. I'm gonna read a little bit off the card for this one. This says your post facial glow in a stick, an ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imports a dewy glass-like sheen to the skin, enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking skin, more radiant, and it's a universal shade, and it retails for $28, guys. And yeah, no, I'm not gonna probably use this at all. This is what it looks like right here. I will put this in a giveaway, and I told y'all it retails for $28. This is another product that I don't know if I want in my Luxe box. Y'all let me know if I'm being too harsh. I don't know, but okay. Next up is something I know you guys would have never guessed that I would have picked. But with all these germs that's flying around, and now that they got the coronavirus and all this stuff like this, I'm so happy that I picked these Bombshell Baker straws, because I will be taking these everywhere that I go. I don't know about that, because they are, I think, let me see. This is the packaging, guys. Ooh, it feels so nice and soft. And these are the straws. I got them because they were gold, and it's so pretty. It's a 4-piece straw set, and they have this little thing that you could stick in it to clean, like that. Well, yeah, like that. So I did get these because I do, I normally use one of those, a rubber straw. I like those because I can bend them, put them in my purse, and I can clean them out really quick. So I do like those to travel. I got these because at work, I use one of those big old tumblers. So I do need a straw for work, and these are metal, so I could just wipe them down, which I do like. I don't know how travel friendly these will be, but I got them, and I'm happy that I got them. I mean, since it was an option and I saw nothing else that I liked. So let's see what these retail for, guys. And these retail for, these are the Glitzy Gold stainless steel straw set, and they retail for $21. Up next, we have a product that I am very, very, very excited for. Y'all was so happy when I saw this was one of the products everyone was gonna get, and it is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and I hope they gave me a vampy shade. I know it's spring, but let me tell y'all something. I'm a vampire at heart, and I love dark colors year round, and I hope this is it. So they gave me the shade Wild Night. Oh, God. Yo, they did. Look at this. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Oh, I don't know. It doesn't have really a scent. It's a nice, pretty, ooh, it's a deep purple, my favorite color. Look at that. Y'all know I got to put this on my lips. Y'all know I do. This does bleed a little bit. Oh, girl, look at this. Oh, my God. So I watched a couple other unboxings, and they didn't like the dark shades. But, boo, y'all can give them all to TonyaNicole, because I love a dark mouth. Look at that. Beautiful. And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and it retails for $25. Y'all like it? Let me know. I'm going to take a dance break and a drink break. And last but not least is, y'all, so, I mean, this is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I'm not going to show y'all my color yet, but I just want to say that I thought it was only like that pink shade, which I did not like, but y'all, look at that. And now, since I'm into skincare, y'all already know what it is. Oh, I'm gonna definitely be using this. Look, 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 look. Oh my God. Oh, this is very soft. Y'all, look at the color on this. Look at the color. I don't even care. Look at the color on this. I already know this is like $99. And it comes with like this little holder. Oh, mine is so pretty. This is like the prettiest one I've seen so far. And it also comes with a battery, which we're gonna put in. Y'all let me know down below if you got yours and what color you got. Let me know if y'all got this color here. This is gorgeous. I really like this. Let's see. I think it goes down like that. Okay. So the battery is in. Let's press it. Wait. I think mine's broke, y'all. What the hell? Oh, there it goes. Ooh, this little thing is kind of powerful. Oh! Can y'all hear that? Oh. Okay, so here goes Gutter Mind TonyaNicole again. Now, y'all. This is where you want your kids to exit. Now, if you are not really into skincare and you got this, baby, this thing is something serious. Oh, girl, it is very, very, very powerful. So, if you don't want to use this for skincare, you could definitely use it for something else because this is, oh my God. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to take my mind out the gutter and I'm going to get back to the regular TonyaNicole. So this is a beautiful wand, guys, for your skincare. You use this side right here to go ahead and take that makeup off. You can use this side just to massage or to put your moisturizer on, anything that you want. And the speeds will help you to, you know, adjust it in whatever speed you like. I don't know. Then when you're finished, you sit it in the little cup here. And this is very cute. And this retails for $99, guys. Yes. Okay. Cool. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I'm sorry. Okay, that was my final product in my BoxyLuxe for this month. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from PMD this beautiful, oh, I got it all dirty with this makeup, wand here. From Becca, the Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. From DEBORAH LIPPMAN, these two nail polishes here. From Bombshell Baker, the straw set here. From NARS, this beautiful liquid lipstick right here. From Tarte, this palette that I absolutely adore. From BOXYCHARM, this palette that I absolutely adore. And these two creams from, what is it called? Rio de Janeiro? Sol de Janeiro. So that's 8 products for this month, guys. So final thoughts on this month's box is I thought for the most part, the products were dynamite. So these 5 products right here are what made the box most enjoyable for me. Also, I can't lie, getting this one, but I wish it was a bigger size or maybe not at all. I don't know. But these products here really worked for me. I'm very excited to see them and use them and try them out. These 3 here, not so much. I think 5 out of 8 is a really good box. I really enjoyed my BoxyLuxe this month. I do wish that they would not put nail polish in my boxes because I did mark that I absolutely hate nail polishes. And I don't know how I feel about getting these little bitty creams in my $50 box, and they're only $15 for both. So I don't know about that. But other than that, the 2 palettes were beautiful. That PMD facial wand is gorgeous. The color is gorgeous. The NARS lipstick is perfect. So for the most part, I really enjoyed this month's box. I will put the total somewhere down here, but y'all, I'm telling you, I really like this box. Now, if BoxyCharm would just unlock my account so I can change my password, I'll be back in good graces with them. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn pond. To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, you know what I'm saying, boo? Based on the fact that I do love 5 of the 8 products and I will use them, I'm going to give BoxyCharm for the month of March for their Luxe box a whopping 3.5 to 4. Let me know down below what you got in your BoxyLuxe. Let me know if you enjoyed it or not. And yes, guys, I do hope you guys will consider subscribing to your girl and becoming a part of my Bomb Ass subscriber squad. All of my social media links are down below. Go ahead and check them out. I will also put BoxyCharm's link down below for you guys to check them out if you wanted to. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it like I did. I enjoyed it so much. I hope you guys had your wine and was drinking and partying with your girl. I want y'all to play a little music too in the background while y'all watching me. Yes, baby. So that's all that I have for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this and had a good time with me. I'm gonna go use this now. You guys have a great day. I'm joking, guys. I love you all so much. Y'all know I'm crazy, so don't take none of this stuff to heart, okay? All right, y'all. Cheers. I love you. Bye.